In this video, I am going to explore nature around me and I am going to find what is the link between Max and nature. Actually, mathematics is the queen of sciences. There is mathematics everywhere in nature. Show a place, a thing, matter, energy, force, etc. Wherever there are numbers, Max is there. Therefore, Max is everywhere. We can find numbers everywhere. But there is an order in all of this. Wherever there is an order or rhythm or pattern, there is mathematics. Mathematics is in light and it is also in sound. It is predictable and also it is random. Numbers. Numbers are very common in nature. Look at this flower, it has so many petals. Fibonacci numbers or golden ratio is commonly used by nature. It is one of the most popular formula in mathematics where each number in the sequence is the sum of the two numbers that precedes it. For example, in the spine cone, we can see spirals running in opposite directions. If we calculate the number of spirals going from the center of this cone, it will result in two consecutive Fibonacci numbers. Patterns are everywhere in nature. We can see repeated patterns either in a flower, we can see like repeated petals as a pattern, we can see pattern in leaves, we can see leaves and flowers form a pattern like in this tree. We can see yellow flowers and green leaves are arranged in a way that it has some sort of pattern. And every branch in the tree is almost similar to each other. Every branch has this yellow flower and leaves mixed and is formed into a pattern. Then I saw this beautiful tree which have stems which looks like leaves. It has these beautiful colors of brown and green, where the brown is like quarter of the total length and green has the 3/4 of the length. The brown and green has this proportion which is very interestingly placed, and each stem has this shade of brown and green which is very interesting, and it is thickly placed but still it has even spaces, and I can see Max everywhere. I would say shape is one of the primary link to connect Max to nature. Shape is everywhere in nature. Everything has a shape. It can be symmetrical, it can be asymmetrical, but I have found through my observation that most of the shapes in nature are symmetrical, and it has lateral shapes, bilateral shapes, and radial shapes, just like this flower in this tree. Julia in her article describes mathematics as exploration and use of patterns and relationships in quantities, space, and time. Now let's explore space through this video. As Lee has mentioned in his article Mathematical Outdoor Play Toddlers Experience, space and spatial concepts can be seen throughout in nature. Like in this video, we can see how the leaves are spaced to fit themselves into the stem. Not only this butterfly has 4 wings, but also it flutters in a pattern which forms number 8.